Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Here we are with the 99 Jeep Wrangler restoration. We've already done the front bumpers and the back bumpers. So today we took the whole thing apart and painted the entire frame. We painted the entire suspension. And we painted all 5 wheels, the 4 wheels and the matching spare. So we're definitely working on restoring this to the best of our ability. I mean, it's definitely not brand new looking or anything, but it's way better than what it was. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next one.